Questions 19 and 20 refer to the following information. An airplane flies directly from a city in Pennsylvania to a city in Ecuador. The equation above estimates the distance d in miles from a city in Ecuador of the airplane t hours after taking off from a city in Pennsylvania. Which of the following is the best interpretation of the number 2565 in this context? Okay, what we need to understand is that this equation that we've been given is actually a linear equation. Okay, and what that means is that there's going to be a slope and there's going to be a y-intercept. In particular, the minus 500t is going to be our slope. It is the rate of change, right? But we're not concerned about that. We're concerned about 2565, which is our y-intercept. And I've said a lot of times earlier as well, the y-intercept is actually what I like to say the starting value. It is the starting value. Before any change occurs, it is what we are starting with. But that doesn't really help in this question's context, right? The starting value. What does that mean? The starting value before you take a trip is really the total distance, right? The starting value before the airplane has taken off is going to be the total distance. It's going to be equal to the total distance of the journey from Pennsylvania to Ecuador, right? And so that's what we're looking for in our answer choice. It's going to be something that says the distance, right? And so the only one that says that the speed, no, the distance, the airplane travels in 1 hour, that's quite specific. It's actually going to be C. The distance in miles the airplane travels between the two cities. It is the total distance.